mag-small business na before early retirement, age 55, or before age 60? Yes, friends, ito yung shoutout natin sa mga kapwa natin government employees and private employees na mga friends. So before you retire, friends, mag-business na kayo. So may example tayo sa videong ito, my personal story or journey to passive income. Yes, friends, at age 53, today, nag-start na po ako ng small business. Ito po. So number one, meron tayong commercial space rentals, 3-door po. So ngayon, may nag-rent na. First door, karinderya. Second door, meat shop. And third door, barber shop. As you can see sa picture natin no, sa upper right. Also, meron tayong tables and chairs rental. Actually, matagal na itong business na ito. 8 years na po and counting. And meron tayong chess club or chess coaching. Yung chess club natin 3 years ago, actually parking area ko ito pero ginawa kong chess club. Then meron tayong buy and sell business. So recently, meron tayong pasabay food orders. Yung mga pagkain sa karinderya, binibenta ko sa office namin. So may markup ako na 5 pesos. So yung gulay na 20 pesos. So yung selling price ko 25. So may 5 peso ako na markup. So small business lang po. And meron din akong uling for sale. Uling bagol and uling kahoy. Ayan po, passive income na po ito, friends. So preparation ito sa early retirement natin. Kasi God willing po, if may ERIP kami sa office, I will retire at age 55. So 2 years from now. So early retirement tayo para mag-focus tayo sa business or passive income. Alright, so points to ponder, friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.